We've put together here are some details on choosing your GCSE options. So normally you'd meet with your tutors and go through this in assembly when choosing your GCSE options. So the form's going to be sent out to you. We thought we'd go through it with you because I'm sure you'll have lots of questions. I'll try to explain the majority of it. If there are other questions you have, you can always email your teachers. You can email myself, and we'll answer any questions you've got. Okay, so in terms of choosing your GCSE options, the first thing that we really want you to do is do some research. Have a think about what subjects you're enjoying now. I've put on here for you, have a look at Careers Wales. There's a job matching quiz on Careers Wales, which is very good. So it asks you about yourself, and then it tells you the type of jobs they think that would suit you best. But more importantly, what GCSEs you would need to get that job. So that's a really good starting place for you before you do anything else. Another good thing is just, obviously you're not going to be going around and meeting people at the moment, but I'm sure you're all online and chatting to others. So chat to other people about what subjects they've taken, what they've enjoyed, and where it's taken them. Okay, so start with doing some research first. Once you've done that, make sure you have a really good look on the school website. So the school website, if you scroll down, there's a link to Key Stage 4 options, and the options booklet is there with all the different options in. So you can read there, you might see some questions then from that. And again, email your teachers, we're all online to give you advice. Okay, step 2 is actually filling out the form. So you will have a link off Miss Cavendish, a Google's form to fill out your choices. Once you start filling out, the first thing you need to think about is which science pathway you want to study, because depending on which pathway you choose will depend on how many other GCSEs you take with that. So there are 3 science options. The first of these is known as triple three. So the triple three means you do 3 GCSEs, a standalone GCSE in chemistry, biology and physics. So out of this you will get 3 GCSEs. If you choose this option, if you decide you want to go down this science route, taking the 3 different options, then you have 3 other options of GCSEs to take with this. The next option is triple two. Now, triple two basically means that you are choosing just 2 of the sciences. So you can choose your favourite 2 sciences, any combination that you want. If you do this, then alongside these 2 sciences, you can choose another 4 GCSE options. And the third option you have available to you this year is called single science, and I've got health and nutrition GCSE. So this is 2 separate GCSEs. One of them, the single science, covers all of the science under 1 GCSE, but alongside you'll be doing a different GCSE which really looks at health and nutrition. Mr. Brooks is the person to ask if you've got any questions on this, and I'm sure he'll send you some emails regarding this as well. Okay, so once you've made that option, okay, with your science pathway, you have to make a decision. So you can see the 3 on the different screen now. So you've got your triple 3, your triple 2, or you've got the single with the health and nutrition. On the form that Mrs. sent you, it looks like this. Okay, so if you take the triple 3, it's just triple 3. If you take the triple 2, then you have to go on to the next question and say which 2 of the sciences you choose. Once you pass that, then you're really looking at all your different choices. Please note that when you get to this option A, if you've selected triple science, then this first option column must be ticked off as triple science. Option A must be triple science. If you haven't, then please feel free to choose any of the others. At any point you can go back. There's a back button, so don't, have a look through it a couple of times, and you don't have to press submit. Miss won't get any of the information until you press submit. So if you want to go on there, go back and forth to look at different choices, please do that. Take your time making your options. Think about the combination that you're putting together of your GCSEs. And like I've said many times, please email us, please contact us if you have any questions whatsoever.